Here's how to use a cool seat. There are 5 ways to use a cool seat. Firstly, you can put food waste in. This is Phil, the chef from the Haymarket Foundation, being a very good boy and putting his food waste in the cool seat. And this is the wonderful Grace, who's got carbon. Look at it, dead leaves and all sorts of things. Throw that in, Grace. Oh, look at that. Torn up egg crates. So carbon is anything that has lived but which is now dead. So for every bucket of food waste, you need another bucket, same size, of carbon. What have you got there, Grace?
A soil auger.
Say that again. It's a what?
A soil auger.
All right, what do you do with it?
You put it into the soil and spin it down to bring up some of the older compost and aerate it.
And why do you do that?
Because it helps the compost mature. Because worms don't like light, put a hashing sack on top of the compost so that the worms come all the way to the top.
Secondly, you can stop polluting Earth's climate with decaying food waste. Thirdly, you can grow food there, or decorative plants, pretty plants. Fourthly, you can harvest compost juice from it, and that is a super rich fertilizer for all types of plants and trees. Here is compost juice harvested from coolseat. Because it's so strong, I'm putting it a long way from the plants. But this is free compost juice. Nothing wasted here. And going on these plants. Huh? How about that?
And fifthly, you can sit on it.